Welcome to Crocktober. This is a collaboration put on by Jeni Gough, and there's a lot of wonderful channels in it. And underneath the ingredients for this recipe, I've listed all the channels, so be sure and check them out. But it's all on different things that you can make in the crock pot. And you know, a crock pot really comes in handy. It's really nice for putting stuff in before you go to work and having a hot meal when you come home or when you go to a sporting event. And there's so many different things you can make in it, from desserts to main courses. Well, today we're going to make a chili, but it's kind of a special chili. It's made with pumpkin. That's right, pumpkin. Now, don't turn your nose up on this. It actually tastes very good, and you would never know pumpkin is in it. But pumpkin has a lot of nutrition. You know, it has that beta carotene that turns to vitamin A in your body. Pretty important. It has vitamin K and a lot of nutrients. And it isn't high in calories. It's a great filler for many dishes, including this chili. Now, again, when you're making it for your family, serve them. Just say it's a new chili recipe. Don't say, oh, and guess what it has in it? Pumpkin. No. Don't say that. Wait until they eat the chili and go, Mom, this is really great. And then you go, yeah, and did you know it has pumpkin in it? Because then they've already admitted they like it and they're sold on the recipe. And I think you will be too. It's really easy to make. It just takes a little prep time, and then everything is basically just dumped into a crock pot and you put it to crock cook, whatever. In this case, it is put to high for 4 hours, or if you want to have it on low, for 6 to 8 hours. So it's a great fall and winter recipe, and I hope you make pumpkin chili. Here's how I make it. Let's go over the ingredients. We're going to want 1 pound spicy Italian sausage. I couldn't find that, so I got zesty hot sausage. And we're going to need 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper diced, and 1 medium onion diced. And we're going to want 2 cloves of garlic minced. I got that on top of the onions. And then we're going to need 1 15-ounce can of black beans, 1 15-ounce can of dark red kidney beans, 1 can here, I think it's 14.5 ounce of diced tomatoes and green chilies. And of course we're going to need pumpkin. We want 15-ounce can of pumpkin there, not pumpkin pie, pumpkin, 100% pumpkin. And we need 2 cups of beef stock, and then our spices. So here they are. We have 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon allspice, 1/2 teaspoon chipotle chili powder, which smells so good, and 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. And you know what? Mine's regular salt. And then you can have shredded cheese, or cilantro, corn chips, whatever you like to top your chili with. Now we want to brown our Italian sausage, or our spicy pork sausage, or in this case, hot pork sausage. Either way, or you could put in ground beef, or turkey, or chicken, whatever you like. But we have to brown it first. Now, I like to mix the spices into my meat while it's cooking. Just about brown. Just going to put our meat right here in the crock pot. And now, even though it doesn't say to do this, I like to cook my veggies just a little before I put it in. Make sure they're really nice and tender. And to get up the juices of the meat and the spices. So I'm putting in my onions, my garlic, and my green and red pepper. And we're just going to cook these a while until tender. And now the fun part, we just dump everything in. Here's, gosh, this smells good. I just love the smell of onions. And the peppers are nice too. Get those all out, along with the juices. There we go. Then let's put in our beef broth. Stir this up a little as we go here. Looking so pretty. And let's put in our pumpkin. Stir it up again. Now how about our tomatoes? I did not drain them because I thought juice would be good in here. Now we'll put in our black beans. All out. Stir these in. Looking like chili. And then our kidney beans. No pinto beans in this one. Okay. I'm just going to stir it up really well. Doesn't that look good already? Nobody would know pumpkin's in it, right? Put on our top. Oops. Now, if you're in a hurry, cook it on high for 4 hours. If you got time, cook it 6 to 8 on low. Just don't remove the cover and check on it, because that delays your cooking time. So we'll be back. Okay, bubbling nice. Doesn't that look good? Okay, I have to have a little fun with it. I'm going to try to make something that can kind of be in the middle of the chili to be more frightening, right? For Halloween. Let's see how I do. Maybe we want this one. Cut off the bottom here. And let's put in some eyes. There we go. There we go. Get the eyes. And then, let's see. Can cut off the end. I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm just playing with it. Maybe one. Two. These look a little these are the legs. That's okay. This one's just a little too. Okay, we'll just do 4 of these. And let's see. There we go. Let's see, can we? Okay, there's our kraken, or is it an octopus or whatever, I don't know. Just having a little fun with it. It is the month of Halloween. Okay, didn't turn out exactly as I wanted because I didn't think it would be so soupy, but you get the idea. Have some fun. You could also take a orange sweet pepper, carve out a face like a jack-o'-lantern, and put that in the middle. Just have some fun with this, and it can be a great conversation piece for your Halloween potlucks. And I should have waited until it wasn't so hot and so juicy on top. But now, let's do a taste test. So let's just put a little cheese on top. And maybe, I like it with some crunchy chips on top. Now let's do our taste test. Okay, now for our taste test. Good spices. A little heat aftertaste. Let's try another bite here. This is really good. Believe me, your family won't know pumpkin's in it, but you are giving them that added nutrition, which is great. But this is going to be so wonderful after a football game, or when you have a hard day at work, you put this on in the morning before you go, and you got a wonderful supper when you get home. So, thanks again, Jenny, for inviting me to this collaboration. And I hope you are watching every single one of Crocktober. Like I said, you'll have the ingredients for this down below, and under that will be all the channels for Crocktober. Make sure you're checking out each one and each video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you make pumpkin chili in your crock pot. Bye. So good.